Writing a list to a file with Python, with newlines. How do I write a list to a file? WriteLines doesn't insert newline characters, so I need to do
use a loop. For Python 3.6. For Python 2, one may also use If you're keen on a single function call, at least remove the square brackets, so that the strings to be printed get made one at a time, a genex rather than a list comp. No reason to take up all the memory required to materialize the whole list of strings.
What are you going to do with the file? Does this file exist for humans, or other programs with clear interoperability requirements? If you are just trying to serialize a list to disk for later use by the same Python app, you should be pickling the list to read it back.
Simpler is to ensure that all items in the item list are strings, use a generator expression. Remember that item list takes up memory, so take care about the memory consumption.
Using Python 3 and Python 2.6 plus syntax. This is platform independent. It also terminates the final line with a newline character, which is a Unix best practice. Starting with Python 3.6, \n.format item can be replaced with an f string, f, item \n.